Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be building my computer. But first I need to get these two hard drives and this graphics card out of my old one so I can go put it in the new one. So first up, obviously, turn the computer off because you don't want a computer on while you're taking stuff apart. Next I'm going to take out all of the little power cords and SATA cords, and I'm going to take out this 6-pin, yeah, this is a 6-pin, out of my graphics card. Okay, I think I'm going to do graphics card first, so that should be pretty simple. I think all I have to do is, okay, I don't know how to take this out. I'm doing the hard drives. So, just got these nice little hot swap trays. So that's kind of nice. I'm gonna have to go get a screwdriver, aren't I? That's gonna be a while. Anyway, well, we got the hard drives out, so that wasn't too hard. Next is to try to figure out how to get the how does this come out? Because I really don't know. I think it would be just pulling this hard enough.
Skip.
Well, I'm kind of surprised I didn't get that out. But I finally did. It's a GeForce 1650 Super, like you see in that box. Yeah, it's the same thing. It's just it was in the PC. But now we also have these two hard drives that we're going to be putting in the brand new PC. So let's get start work on the motherboard. Okay. So we open this up. We got a little I/O shield. Got some screws. Okay. Installation guide with driver CD. I can't do anything with that. And SATA cables. That's nice. Another screw. That looks clean. This is my first look at this board, and I am definitely liking it. Okay. Well, let's get it out of the package then, don't we? Should probably do that. That's clean. Look at that. That looks nice. I'm gonna drop you guys a little bit. That looks very clean. So I think the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put the processor into the mount. Okay. Oh god. And that top bit should pop off. Okay, so we should keep this with the box in case I mess up big time. And I think it should go in like that. This one didn't make it click, but I think that's fine, because that's staying. Okay, so it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, as long as you put them in one of these slots. So this would go in like... Oh, that just doesn't feel right. Putting them in these. sounds like I'm breaking something. That looks all good though. Oh, you all didn't get a good view the entire time. Oh, that's reflective. That is very reflective. Very, very reflective. Okay, what's the best thing to aim it at then? I don't want it being that reflective. Let's just take the side panel off. Oh, are these little quick release ones? And the panel just kind of... Oh, wait, there's a peel. There's a peel. Oh. Okay. That's one sketchy side panel. Hey, you can even see my face. Hi, camera. Okay. I'm gonna go set this on my bed because that shall keep it safe. Hopefully, maybe, possibly. Okay, so just looking at it, we have one little NZXT fan in here, which should be enough. I don't know, but holy crap, this looks nice. Oh, no, there's two. There's one at the top, one on the side. Let's take a look at the back together. Okay, so this isn't a tempered glass panel, but this is looking nice. Is this a hinge? No, it is not. Well, we did get a little box. What does the little box do, huh, little box man? Little package from NZXT. What is this little package that you have brought us? Oh, that's sweet. It looks like we have it looks like a mic and earbud input, and then you get one output, along with some, looks like RGB headers, tons of screws, zip ties. Okay, thank you, NZXT. And this is the H510. I'm not looking at that. And this is nice. I like this a lot just because of how I like that. And it has stuff that comes down here. And it looks like we have 2 hard drive slots, which actually, can I slide my... No. Those are literally just, I gotta take the screws out. Or are they even screwed in? They're not even screwed in. Perfect. Look at that. Might as well get my hard drives in here then. That's kind of, I don't know how to keep those just... Oh, there's screws on the side. Yeah, of course. Okay. Okay, well then let's also get the second hard drive in. And we can do the hard drives before anything else. So those are those 2 screws in. Now let's probably just take this bag off of these cords because I'm going to need them. This cord is for front USB, correct? I think this is all for front USB. Yeah, these are all for front USB. Okay. This one has a cap on it. Yeah, that's for front USB. So that would give me my ports like the, oh, one of these is like to turn the thing on. I think this one's it. Okay, so I have a audio jack, I have a front USB-C, and you guys can't see anything. Oh, you barely can. I'm not going to move the camera. I have a USB 5.0. I have a nice power button. And I have an audio jack, USB-C, USB 5.0. I like it. I'm liking this. I like it a lot. Let's go and kind of shove everything down there for the time being. Kind of push some of this crap aside. Let's get our motherboard in. Okay. 10's a charm. Let's not total the motherboard. Oh, there's a little standoff right here. Oh, let's go. I need water. Oh. That screw's gone. I give up. Unless that's it. It's not it. Oh no, of course. Well, that's a screw gone. Next. Okay, so we have... Let's get the power supply. Let's get the power supply in. Okay, so now we have power supply. We gotta rip this box open. Like so. Just like any ripping box open thing. Why don't I have a knife? Why didn't I grab a knife? That's confusing. I don't know why I didn't grab a knife. Okay, so we got thing I don't care about, thing I don't care about. That's the main power cord. We'll use this later. Then we have the power supply itself. And this thing, which everyone loves to eat. Because, you know, these are just delicious. Not exactly sure if that's where I put this screw. But I'm going to go with that. Oh, the next one goes there. Not in the corner. That's for different type of power supply. Oh, okay. I see you. Them different screw positions. Well, there we go. Now just to route every single cable to where it needs to go. And holy crap, there's a lot of them. I don't know where all these go. This is bad. Okay, well that's the 12 pin. I know where the 12 pin goes. 12 pin can go up. Just stay. This is a lot. I don't know what to do. That looks nice. Alright, so my 12 pin would go... Oh, uh-oh. Scraping it on crap, let's bend that. Alright, so it goes in this way. Yeah. Can I put my hand there? Yes. Oh, I don't like how much that bends. Holy crap. Oh no. I don't like this. I'm moving the camera for that. Getting in here. Is that in? Thought that made it click. Kind of scared me. God. Watch this thing not even turn on. That would be funny, actually. Plugged in, though. So, you know what? Let's plug it in. So use the same thing. Yeah, but I'm gonna get a different thing because I want a different thing. I want the new one. New super duper fancy one. that. Oh, my desk is such a mess. I'm gonna end up accidentally just throwing some of this away. Well, if we're gonna boot, we might as well actually boot. So, let me get some stuff cleared up, and then, yeah. Okay. If I did everything right, this shouldn't explode. Or it'll do that. I did not turn that on. Ah! Don't do that. Okay. Okay. The freaking CPU cord was caught in there. Okay, I should get... I never turn these on. Okay, I'm getting Windows. Yo, couldn't see my code. It's not allowed. It's not like it matters, but it's not allowed. Oh, this thing's gonna be a thing and a half to edit. Maybe read the case instructions. Oh, those are some backgrounds. It's the same thing though. Is it on duplicate? And then nightlight came on? Excuse me. Excuse-moi. Aha. I'm no longer running in RAID, which I like. But then... Okay, now it's going smooth. Once again, it's all on the hard drive. The thing's slow. Okay, so I'm sitting at like not much. Once this stops doing whatever it's doing, that's not really doing anything. What's using on my disk? It's saying 20%. Well, I think that'll wrap this video up, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, especially if you're new. And I'll see you guys in the next video, which will be edited on this PC. See you guys later. Bye.